Yo, what's up? So, SAFARICOM Neon Ray Pro. Let's talk about it.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Okay, so let's get on with it. Let's unbox. Okay, so right off the box you get a set of earphones and you also get a USB cable. Now this is not type C, this is your basic USB. Aside from that, you also get a charging brick in the box. It's just a basic charger, it's not a 65 watt or something. At the back you get a cover, warranty, you use your manuals, right? And of course the smartphone itself, the SAFARICOM Neon Ray Pro.
If you take a good look at the smartphone itself, you have a 5.5-inch display. It has 4G built-in. Okay, you have 1 GB of RAM. If you can see closely, you have 1 GB of RAM. You have 16 GB of storage. You have a 5 megapixel camera. This is the front facing camera. It's a 5 megapixel camera. It's a 5 megapixel camera at the front and a 5 megapixel camera at the back. So it has a 2500 milliamperes battery. So the 2500 milliamperes is basically removable. So that's a 25 milliamperes removable battery. It's a Neon Ray Pro at the back there. Okay, so you may think 5.5-inch, quite small, 5 megapixel of camera, not too impressive. Okay, first, this isn't a flagship. Okay, it's not even a mid-range. This is basically priced at $3,999. The price of a really cheap phone. It's actually one of the cheapest in Kenya, but probably the best cheapest. You see, these specs at that price are also quite rare. Second, remember the Neon Kicker 4? It was priced at the same amount, yet it had lower specs than the Neon Ray Pro. So now they're offering the Neon Ray Pro at the same price as the Neon Kicker, which has lower specs than the Neon Ray, which is good. Most companies don't do that. So who is it for? I'll say this phone is for those that want a smartphone but don't have enough to afford a high-priced smartphone, high specs flagship smartphones. So I'll say at the cheapest price, this is a compromise, but it's a good compromise. So is there a disadvantage? Of course. See, the phone is locked, meaning the only network it reads is a SAFARICOM network. Alright, so if you put in your SIM card with any other network, it won't read. It will not work on any other network. So I'll say that's something I hope they fix in the future, but considering that they're also a network provider, I think this is purposeful. So guys, thanks for watching and hope you like it.